Hey everyone, in this video I'll be talking about MindMeister. So this is a general video just showcasing MindMeister for beginners, what you can do with it, what you can create with it, and what MindMeister is all about. So this is just generally going to be a tutorial for beginners for MindMeister and how to actually operate it and just show you the basics of it and about it. So MindMeister, to start off, is basically this platform that helps you and your team to come to one place where you can just organize your ideas using mind mapping, just mapping things out on the screen, and you can just all collaborate and, uh, you know, pretty much just brainstorming ideas together using MindMeister with the tools that they provide for you. So initially, it's just a simple workspace for you and your team to just come there, brainstorm, create ideas, share ideas with each other, and just interlink them all in one place. So here we can scroll down and see some of the things that it does, like visualizing your ideas, collaborating with your team. So you can either do it alone, or if you want to share with others that it can either just view it or help you, you can do that as well. So if you have a team with you, that's excellent to use for that. And you can also manage your tasks. They do have connections with different platforms from Mind, which I will talk about. And then you can also share it with the world so everybody can see your works after you are done with it. So, some of the features, like you get some custom designs, mixed map layouts. You can change the layout of the map. We've got multiple outline modes, and we've got focus mode. You can also have comments and notifications from the people that are viewing the map. They can add comments, and then you can also embed media and stuff to it. So I will be showing you everything and how to actually work with MindMeister and how to get started with it and just showcase it a little bit for you. Here are some of the things that you can just do with MindMeister, like mind mapping. It just tells a little bit about that. Brainstorming, like I say, project planning, and then we got meeting management and really a lot more. So before we get started, let's talk about the pricing bit because it's not necessarily free. It does have a free plan, but you get three mind maps. You get unlimited collaborators, which is great. Meister Task integration and Microsoft Teams integration as well. And you've got some templates, which I will show you. Then they've got personal, pro, and business. Personal being $6 a month, pro 10, business 15. And you can see the things that are added for personal, pro, and business. Like here, you get the attachments and PDF and image export. You can export it as PDF or image. This is for the personal, and then obviously here you get everything from personal and more stuff also. So now that we know about the pricing, let's actually get started and dig deeper into the creation of MindMeister. If we just go to mindmeister.com, just to show you what you need to do, simply after you, okay, it just logs me into the dashboard, but generally speaking, you just go to the website, mindmeister.com. From there, you sign up. It's a very easy and simple process. You just put in your name, your email and password. Afterwards, it's going to ask you whether it's for a business or personal use. That is going to be up to you. And once you select that, you should be good to go and you are here. So this is going to be the dashboard for MindMeister. Here we've got my maps, recents, favorites, public, and trash. So most are self-explanatory. I'm not going to go over them. My maps is going to be this place where you can just find all the maps that you have created. You can search for them if you have plenty here. You get a search option, or you can also filter things out with a list filter or A to Z, that kind of thing, just to make sure you find them easier. Recents, it just shows you which ones you opened recently. Favorites, self-explanatory, but public here is basically all the maps that you have created and made them public. And for the public maps, anybody that has the link is going to be able to view it. So make sure that there's no private information in your public maps. You can check and make sure over here in this tab over here in the public to make sure that the maps over here does not include any personal information. Okay, so let's actually get started. To create a map, you've got two different ways. The first way, you can just click on the plus icon and just click on New Mind Map, which will create a simplified map for us like this one right here. So this is one way of doing it. Let me just delete some of them because I don't want to have a full plate on my hands. So by the way, when you delete them, they go to trash. You can restore or you can just empty trash and you should be good. So this is the first way, and it creates this one for you. The other way, you can just click on show all templates here, and you can see there are plenty of templates to choose from, which will create a bigger map for you that you can use to just basically makes it easier for you. Instead of actually creating one from scratch, you can just pick one and then simply just like editing the text and stuff. And we got filters here for business, life, marketing, that kind of thing. If we just go to a simple one like mind map here, we just click on it and it's going to create one for us. Apparently mind map is the same as the original one that it creates for us, but I'm just going to stick with it and let's talk about what we can do once we create a mind map. So here we go, we've got a mind map created. What can we do? Obviously, if we have a template, we can just simply click on the text and then edit the text to whatever we want. So simply just click on the text and just edit it to be whatever you want. Okay, great. So first, to navigate, you simply just click and hold on any empty space and you can just move right, left, up, down. You can zoom out by either clicking over on the minus sign over here or holding control and the mouse wheel. It's up to you. And then we start with the stuff that we can do. So first, let's start from the bottom left. Mind map, if you click it, you get the other option to make it an outline and you can see what happens. Let's just keep it at mind map and work from here. So this is your other option for mind mapping. You can just make it an outline. On the right side, you can see two different icons here. We got a layout icon, which will change the how it's organized. We've got organized chart and we've got a list view as well. It's up to us, but let's again keep it to mind map. And then lastly here is going to have a themes. I like to go to fireworks here or dark mode because it's just, I like dark mode. So I would just go for fireworks, and as you can see, it changes everything to be this theme. So you can just adjust themes from here. So next up, let's actually talk about creating a new topic. You can just right click anywhere in the screen where you want it to be, and you have these options: adding a topic, adding a floating topic, which will be separated. We've got themes and these other things. So let's just add a topic. It will give us this prompt because it's a topic is going to be connected to the first one. So let's just type in example 1. And then we can obviously move it around by just dragging it, and we get a few things. So if we just go to the left, we get, if we click on any element here, we get these options on the right side. So we get the actions where we can just connect it to things. We get the comment action, which is usually what other people do, notes, media, attachment, and task. Just keep in mind, attachment is going to require you to upgrade. So that's one thing. The style is going to be where you can just style the text and the border. So we can just make it bold if we want, change the font with these fonts that we have. We can change the shape, and we can show it as a boundary instead of the way it was. We can change the colors for different things, really, the border and stuff like that. It's all up to us. But let's just keep it as it was. And here basically the style is just going to give you these options to choose from. And for the icons, you can add a icon. If we just add it to this one, you will see what I mean. If you just go icons, it will go to the left depending on how big the prompt is. So if we just make it smaller, by the way, you can just make things larger or smaller. So you can just drag this to the left or right. Because I added this icon, I think I can right now, but we can just make the icon smaller by just holding it, and then we can just make it as small or as big as we want. Okay, great. So this is how to create the topic. Next, once you create it, you can either click on tab to create a child, meaning it's going to be I'm going to show you. Let's just hold tab. It's going to be the next one. So let's just type in child. And then you can also add a sibling by just going and clicking enter. Once you click enter, it will show a sibling kind of thing. So sibling one again. If we want a sibling, we go like that, and two. Here we go. So this is what you can do with it. If you hold a tab, it's just going to create another one for you. And if we create a floating topic here, topic 2, obviously we can just adjust the color because it kind of is not matching. Let's go purple. And we can, if we want to connect it to something, we simply just click, we just go ahead and click on it, and then we click on the actions here, and then we click on connections, and then we add one on either side that we want. Let's go left, and then it will ask you to actually click on it. So we click on it, and it's going to have a connection. So we can move it around now, and it does have a connection. Great. We can obviously change the color of the connection to whatever we want. Let's just make it blue, and change the arrows and things like that from this menu. And really, you can just play around with everything here. Just change colors, make them as boundary. All of these things are up to you to change and edit and play with. And this is pretty much the basics of MindMeister. And obviously, if you want to share, you can just click on the share button from there, and then you can have the sharing options here, where you can either share a link or share by email or username. So it's all going to be up to you here. But this is basically the gist of it when it comes to MindMeister. It's very simple. It's not going to be complicated for you to work with. But I hope this video helped you. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.